Guys, it's Mara. So as you saw, this is a video all about Notion. I've seen a few of these videos on different channels like Julia K. Christ and Annie Long, and I really enjoyed their videos. I thought they were super helpful, and I wanted to share you guys what my Notion currently looks like, and I can also link the template that I use down below, and hopefully you guys can get some inspiration and ideas for your Notion. So Notion is this app as well as website that is really great for just organizing basically your life. You can do a lot on Notion. You can basically really do anything. I mean, you should definitely not do too much because you might lose track of everything, but you can definitely do a lot in Notion. And I'm just going to show you what I have on here. So up here, first things first, I have my little collage of all my photos from my vision board. And if you did not watch my 2021 video, make sure to do that. It talks about how I made my vision boards and how I'm basically putting them everywhere. So I'm so inspired for this year. And I made that on Canva. And then I also have this little stay positive thing as my icon, and it appears up here in the corner as well. So I just called it Mars Notion. I have a lot of things like lowercase to be more simple. And I changed out a lot of the photos as well, just because I wanted to be a little bit more inspired. I have this YouTube one, I have this cute flower one, and I have this one that's definitely very inspiring as well. So the first thing up here is documentation. So I have my index, my reading directory, the money page, and the watch list page. Over here, my habit tracker. So I will be going through all of these just so you know. I'm just going to show you my homepage a little bit more. Plans and works, so that's my to-do list, my calendar, my video production. And then for school, I have school and assignments. And then for the daily, I have habit tracker, morning routine, and night routine. And then I have a few quotes. The optimist sees opportunity in every difficulty, and be someone who makes us all feel like somebody. I really like both those quotes, so I left those on there. So then down below, I just weekly goals and things like that. I do not have the entire thing filled out, but I have a few things filled out, including filming a video for Friday, which is this video. So I have some to-do things for here. I always like to write my to-do list the night before, and then I transfer them over to my Notion so I can just be reminded throughout the day. So the next thing I have is this daily thing. So I'm currently filming this on a Tuesday, and I might write some things ahead of time. That's why these things aren't filled out currently, and I just have a few things right here. And then down here, I have my classroom assignments. I'll show you more about my classroom and everything like that. And then on the very bottom, I have a link to my yearly goals page. So now that I've shown you my homepage, hopefully you got some cute inspiration. Let's go on to the index. So in the index, I don't really use this that much. There's a little table of contents. This was mainly in the template. I might use it later on, but for right now, the ones that I use the most are the reference and then the wish list. I don't really use recipes because I don't really cook that much, and I don't use fitness because I don't really work out, but maybe if I did start working out, I could use this more. So when you go into my reference, this just has sort of articles and other links and videos and music things that have links to different things. Here's a Julia K. Christ Notion tutorial if I wanted to go watch that again because it was so helpful. And then I have some different music links if I want to listen to music. And I just have things that I might want to use in the future, but I don't really want to use now. So that's what I use reference for. And then down below I have my wish list, and then on the wish list is different things that I might want. So if anyone asks, what do you want for your birthday or your basically anything, it's still loading, but I just have a few things down there. You can write the price, you can write tags, you can put a link, you can write why. And I only have a few things on there, but as I think about things that I want, I can add those on there. And if I decide that I don't really want something anymore, I can just take that off. So I think that's it for the index. So now we'll go on to the reading directory. So the first thing I have is the bookshelf, which is what I'm currently reading. I usually only like to read one book at a time. Comment down below if you're the same way. So right now I'm reading Two Can Keep a Secret by Karen M. McManus, which is so good. And I started it on January 10th, and I'm really curious to see when I finish it, see how long it takes for me to finish it. And then down below, I have my books that I currently have, but I have not read yet. I think this is nice so I can just get a reminder, read these books, because I don't want to forget about those books that I currently have. So after my reading directory, the next thing I have is the money page. Now I am still pretty young. I do not make a very large income or any income at all. But if I do get something just from one of my websites like Redbubble or my Amazon book, which are linked down below in case you want to check those out, I'll put them there. And if I get anything that I have to purchase myself, I will put it right here. So I got this organizer from Target and it cost $10. So that's what that is about. And I'm now going on to watch list. It'll just take a minute to load. So on the watch list, I don't really have that much stuff on here, mainly because I don't really watch a lot of things. I've basically binged everything. So if you guys have any show ideas, on Netflix or anything, comment them down below. I have really nothing on here, but I would love to fill this out and start, watching some stuff. So after that, we have my school page. And then on here, I have my thing for the assignments. I have my timeline. I don't know when my end of the second quarter is for my school, but once I find that out, I can put it on here. And then I have all my courses. So here's my Algebra 2 course. And then on here, it's has different information, including a link. And then over here, I have my science page, my social studies page, my English page, my art page, my French page, and my chorus page. So yeah, and then I have all the things in there, and then at the very bottom is the assignments. And then after school, we have my habit tracker. So on my habit tracker, I like to just do things just to make sure I'm doing everything I can to be productive, like brushing teeth and making my bed and getting dressed and not staying in my PJs until 10 or 12. But anyway, I just want to make sure I get all those things that are annoying to do, but you still have to do them done. And I think this actually really been helping me. So this habit tracker is super helpful. I've never had to habit track it before, but I'm really liking it. So after that, I have my morning routine and night routine. As you can see, I basically got everything done for this morning, but except for stretching. So I guess I'll make sure to stretch before I have school. And then after that, we also have the night routine. So here's the night routine. And obviously nothing's filled out yet because it's not night yet. So next we have my calendar. And on here I have different things like birthdays and YouTube videos appointments and things like that. So as I get more things on my calendar, I'll just put them on here. And over here is everything YouTube production. So it's still loading. It's not untitled. Just you gotta wait 1 second. Okay, there you go. So then it has different video ideas and turns from idea to outline of progress to ready to film to edited to ready for public to published. So we have the Notion video, and it actually is not outline in progress. It is actually ready to film because that's what I'm doing right now. So now it's right there. So as I get more video ideas and things like that, it will come up on here to make content for you guys. So after that, I have my to-do. As I said before, I write all my to-dos the night before just so I have an entire plan for my day. And then I will transfer them over here and then just check things off as I go. So I'm currently doing my filming Notion video, so I'm getting stuff done already. So daily, don't really do anything on here. It's just kind of blank. Not sure what I would use that for, but if I did figure out an idea, then I'll just put it down. So after my daily, under that is we have the assignment page. So, this is where I'll put my assignments. So I actually have another assignment. So there's some algebra. Let me spell that right. Algebra 2 homework that I need to make sure to get done. So I'll put that there. The course is Algebra 2. And then I'll just write the due date, which would be tomorrow. So that's how that works. And whenever I get something done, I just hit completed. So there's my assignments for now. And then once I am finished, and then after that, we have the final page, which is my yearly goals. So on my yearly goals, it's just loading right now. I have my goals for the year. I have a little picture. Someone's It's, inspiring, very cute. And I just have a whole bunch of different things like different important things for me. So this page is kind of a little blank, so I thought I would show you some of the things in Notion that you can do to make things a little bit more interesting, add some interest, and things like that. So one thing you can do is you're going to always want to type that slash mark whenever you want to do something. This is the title, so obviously I can't do a slash mark for the title of something, but here I'll write goals list slash, and then I can change this text to be a little bit more interesting. If I go to the very bottom, I can actually give it a background color, and then I can hit that again. Excuse me. And then I can hit that again, and if I want, I can do like a heading 1, so like and then I am just going to change this into a heading 2, and then I'm also going to change this to be like this. And then it has like the different like text options like background and color and all that stuff. So we'll just leave it like that for now. And then I'll also put a little divider up here as well, just to add some interest. And then let's do a call out. Make 2021 great. That'll be my little call out. Super cute. I'm just going to change this icon to be a little heart, which is like the goals heart thing. And then I have that going now. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, maybe got some inspiration for your own Notion, and that'll be it. So hopefully I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video, and also comment down below and give this video a like if you enjoyed.